It is coming up this Monday night. Battle Royal. This man, the refrigerator, William Perry from the Super Bowl champion Chicago Bears. In this Battle Royal, 511 pounds, 7'4.5", Andre the Giant. Are the butterflies there? You thinking about Andre?
Oh yes, I always think about Andre. Andre's he's the biggest, and I don't know if he's the best. So we got all of us gonna have to get out there, and you know, we gonna wrestle and stuff. I'm gonna have to watch out for Andre so he won't slap me and everything, and the rest of the guys, you know, who gonna be in the Battle Royal. So we're gonna have to get out there and just watch out for Andre and the rest of the guys too. So we got to get out there and wrestle.
You know what this winning this Battle Royal could mean, the prestige, and who knows, we might see a whole new career for the refrigerator.
Oh yeah, you might see a whole another career in wrestling. I love wrestling. I like to get into it, you know, more, and the chances come around, I'll be up there, you know, wrestling with Hulk and Mr. T and all the rest of them.
They're going to be here Monday night. The refrigerator, William Perry.